The next divine name is Al-Qahhar, which means the dominator. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who dominates over all things outwardly through infinite power and authority, and inwardly, through infinite knowledge and awareness. The Muslim who understands the outer and inner domination Allah, the Exalted, has over his creation will refrain from all acts of disobedience. They will not oppress others, knowing they cannot escape the dominating force of Allah, the Exalted, even if they escape the force of worldly people, such as the police. A Muslim should act on this divine name by dominating over their inner evil and vain desires through the strength provided by Allah, the Exalted, which is only gained through his sincere obedience. This involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. They should use this strength to remove all things which prevents them connecting to Allah, the Exalted. The root of this is learning and acting on Islamic knowledge. Knowledge exposes the negative consequences of vain and evil desires. This will encourage them to abandon them. Chapter 64 at Tahaban, verse 16.
And whoever is protected from the stinginess of his soul, it is those who will be the successful.
The one who dominates all things is the only one who can provide a Muslim the strength to overcome all difficulties they may face in both worlds. He is the only one who can provide them the strength to perform righteous deeds and abstain from sins. These three elements combined are required for a Muslim to gain eternal success, and they will be granted to the Muslim who sincerely obeys the Dominator, Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.